Trump threatened economic consequences for any country doing business with Iran. The U.S. stock market made its worst losses in 3 weeks, with the Dow Jones shedding 703.84 points. The U.S. announced its total debt surpassed a record $40 trillion this week. Brent crude oil remained at $93.28 a barrel on Friday morning. U.S. crude oil traded at $86.70 per barrel on Thursday. Trump vowed an economic D-Day to break the deadlock in the conflict with Iran. The conflict has been ongoing for 6 months without a military victory or negotiated settlement. The U.S. paused military strikes on Iran after a fortnight of nightly strikes failed to bring Tehran to negotiations. The U.S. government announced Operation Economic Fury, a 2-pronged economic campaign. Iran's economy already faces extensive U.S. sanctions that have ground it down over years. Iran dismissed Trump's threats, calling Economic D-Day a diversion from America's own crisis. The Treasury announced an emergency move to double buybacks of long-dated debt to $4 billion. The exact mechanics of the new U.S. economic pressure campaign remain unclear. Trump listed activities to stop, including oil smuggling, swap lines, cash transfers, and ship registries. The U.S. has imposed extensive sanctions limiting international trade with Iran. Iran has long faced sanctions and shown willingness to endure economic pressure. The Supreme Court will decide on Trump's ballroom construction. The U.S. stock market made its worst losses in 3 weeks, with the Dow Jones shedding 703.84 points, and so on. Iran dismissed Trump's threats, calling Economic D-Day a diversion from America's own crisis. Whether the new sanctions will work to pressure Iran into negotiations.